Hey, I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean an ice chest. You have your dirty ice chest here, and all you're going to need are a couple products. You can see how dirty it is before I get going here. Take a paper towel first. Gonna try to get any loose items first. Kind of get in there, as you can see. Get that stuff. Gonna try to pinch it out as best I can. Just put that out of the way for now. Any excess. You always want to do this by your kitchen sink if you're not outdoors. You can shake out any extra debris. And what I like to do is run some hot water on a sponge. Just a teeny bit of dish soap on there so it gets any grease buildup. It also sanitizes it, so the next time you use this, if you're just gonna use your ice chest for some ice cubes for those nice Saturday afternoon cocktails, you always want to wait until 12 noon though for that first one. Get some good elbow grease, rinse that out. Then I'll just take my container over there, my ice chest, fill it up with hot water, kind of swirl it around, pour that into the sink. Wow, that's a really nice clean ice chest, brand new. Mark Newman-Kuzel, Made in USA, and that's how you clean an ice chest.